such a mess. I know I promised I was gonna clean this up. That's not gonna happen, bro. I don't have time for that, bro. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm a little sick today. It's your boy K24 Rocker. No, it's not. I got it messed up. I realized now I was gonna start assembling this, but this thing's a little dirty. I might have to clean it first. So that's what we're going to do right now. So please stand by. Yeah, these things need a mean clean. So I'm gonna have to bless it with a little bit of They are clean. I cleaned them before, but it's been a long time, you know. So, like I said, just take an extra. Just take a minute, you know, and correct those little issues. Nothing crazy, but like I said, after I spend all this money on this, I'm not about to just find out that something happened to my block or my cylinder head because I decided to be cheap or avoid doing something so simple. So they are a little, I guess from the time that they've been, it's been a long time since they've been out. I took them off, I guess, a while ago. I need gloves, man. These gloves are cheap. This is definitely not for that, but I just use them because that's all I have right now. But I promise you guys, I'm gonna buy. Okay. Yeah, this is the first time I assemble rockers, so I hope I'm doing it right. Put some oil here. And we'll dump them here before we start putting them up. We'll start dumping them there before we put them on the rocker, on the, what is this? I don't know the name, but whatever this is. Damn, look at this, kid. Came with a hole in it. Damn. Make a mess here. Okay, right here. Yo, that entrance, that intro I did today was a little weak, just in case. I'm about to do it right now. Hold on, let me just. Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy K24 Rocker, back in this business. I'm about to assemble this. Yeah, I guess that's how I should have started, right? But anyways, as I said, we're gonna put this as first. We gotta find which one's number one. We gotta put these I don't know, rocker arms or whatever you call it. Pull them on, and then we start installing these one by one and putting the pins also. Which, yeah, man, I know I'm missing it. I know it. So we're gonna have to take the head apart, or take take one of these pins, take them from the other cylinder head, and then I guess I'm gonna have to order just so I can have extra. But yeah, let's get it started. So let's find out which one's number one. I have no idea how you find out, to be honest. Let's see. I'm not feeling how this one looks. Hold up. Boy. Okay, so this one's number one, right here. Oh, word. Number one. I guess this one's where the cams go. put in that little in between in there. Make sure there's no debris. Alright, so number one, so I guess it's the side that goes in there, and this I gotta see which one is. Oh, that's a good question, man. That is a good question. Alright, so thick side, if I'm not wrong, goes down here. I guess, and that's where the oil flows in through. Right? Let me just. Hey man, you guys gonna have to give me a second. Now I'm worried. That this is not how it goes. Okay, this is. Alright, how about I do some research before let me make sure it's recording. Alright, after 20 light years of searching, finally found out. So yeah, there is a thick side, and this is a thicker side, and then this is, I guess, the thinner. So the thicker side goes in here on the first one. And then we start by the rockers. I should have organized the rockers so I could start selecting them one by one. That's an epic fail. I messed up there. Let's make. Okay. So we're gonna break this bag. It's in here. And it was so nice and shiny. Alright, so the first one, it's gotta be one that has something like this, that's flat on the other side. Number one, this one says number one, I guess. This might be it, alright? That's a whole V-Tech. This one's gotta be. Man, what you doing? This is the small pin. Alright, so once you put the first one in with the one that has the closed hole on the side, you have to go with the small pin. There's 3 types of pins. Oh, dude. There's a small one, a bigger one, and a hollow one with the spring. Alright, so, alright, let's see. I'm gonna dip it in there. That goes in here, the smaller one. Okay. Then we're going with a middle one, but I don't know what's the difference, man. You got H, G. That's what throws me off. That's what throws me off, man. That's the middle one. Middle one. Assembly. I-H-I. Okay. Dude, man. What's up?
Where are you?
I'm in my garage.
Oh, you're in the garage?
Yeah, bye. I need help. Then the next one is one of these big ones. Question is, which one? I guess this one. Hey. And I guess this hook goes to the bottom, to my understanding. Dip it. It's not gonna be too short. No, I was trying to make it quick. I was trying to make a quick video, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Wait. I think this goes to the bottom. That's how it goes, and then the longer pin goes here. And then we need one with the hole on the side, I guess, for the oil pressure. That's what I understand from what I saw. As long as you assemble it the right way, so the bottom one doesn't have a hole on the first one. There's a hole I'll show you. There's a hole. The first one usually has a hole right here inside this hole, and that's the one. I guess this that's what pushes. That's what gives it the pressure, I guess, to come out. I could be wrong. And then there's one here that has a hole here, and that's, I guess, this is the one where you put the spring, and then the hollow pin. So, and then obviously here you put the biggest pin in it. So, I guess it's not a difference. I guess it doesn't matter. We're gonna do it like that. Damn, I'll put oil on this. So now I need to open this up now. Let's not have these flying now. Alright, so now we have to put one with the spring. So a hollow one with the spring. I'm gonna have to buy a set of pins because I am missing a ton. I'm gonna have to take it from the other one. Alright, so let's take out the spring. Here. Spring goes first, and then this, and that's how it goes. Goes all the way down. All right. I think I should lay it. I mean, I'm trying to have it like this so you can see it, but after I do the first ones, I'm gonna go a different route. I mean, I'm gonna put them horizontal. All right, the next one. All right, so we'll start off with one that has a hole in the bottom, which doesn't matter the number, I guess. One that has a hole in the bottom. it slide down. Alright. I don't know why this camera shuts off after a while. I guess it's basically telling me to shut my ass up. Number 2 is numbered here. Boom. I'm number 2. So we're going to number 2 now. And we are hoping that we're doing everything correctly. Alright. Now we're going with the following one. I guess we start here. Start here. Quick little dump. Ah. This is awesome. And then we put a small pin in it. Put the small pin in it. Put you in. There you go. I have to use this because this is gonna drive me crazy. Alright. You should use zip ties when you're doing this. Just FYI. That's what I should have done a while ago. We're going to carefully place these this way. There you go. And we're going with the next one, which is one of these bigger ones. I guess we'll just run them so we don't have all that oil. Alright, duck, a big pin in it. Go. Then we got one of these with the hole. All right. That's all gonna come. Because we're going to need the pins with the spring. The rest will be alright. The rest will be alright. So we're going with that one. Up. You know what? We're gonna start zip tying them right now because I already see it happening. It happened once, we're not gonna let it happen twice. Hopefully the camera angle is good. Alright, let's go. So we're going with this one. Put a little bit. All over. We got a pin. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, man. right now. Thank God. Thank God. Thank you, Lord. Can't lose you. Alright, so now we go with one of the big ones. Remember, that little hook goes to the bottom. And then we'll hit it with the big pin, kid. And then we go with one of these. And then the, I guess, the small pin. Small pin. There you go. And then zip tie. We're hitting it with the zip tie, kid. All this oil slipping, kid. Man, you better go home, man. Alright, now we go to number 3. Number 3, where you at? 3, number 3. Go upwards. Alright, next one. This one goes right here. Small pin. Small pin goes in it. Well, you better get back on there. Small pin, ready, goes in. Then we got the big one here. Take a quick, make sure it's all legit. Then a big pin goes in it. Pin, there you go. Make sure that is there like a hole? Then we got one with a small hole on the side. This one, and it goes in with that. Alright, so we'll put a little bit of oil. Make sure everything's going in smoothly. There you go. That's going in. Okay, then we'll bless it with a zip tie. Bless it with a zip tie. Oh, I did it wrong. I did it wrong. Did it wrong. Don't be like me and do this in a hurry. It cannot be done in a hurry. There you go. The hook, this hook goes down on the bottom. That's how it goes. Okay. Now it's done. Now it's right. Now it's the right way. I got you. Let's go with the following one. Goes with one with the hole in it. Make sure it's oiled up. The spring. I hope I'm being helpful here. Get more pins. And I dropped another pin somewhere. I know people used to mention that, hey, you gotta be careful with these pins. Man, I'm not gonna have an issue, and then boom, had an issue. So we're going with the middle one, right here. Okay. Big pin. Huh? You know what? You keep asking me and we're not gonna go anywhere. Okay? So we're not going anywhere now. And then, yeah, I gotta let them know, man, you know what I mean? It's not on their time. Then we gotta put the small pin. Small pin goes on. Take a little. Pin is in, pin, zip ties. Zip tie. Okay. 2 more. Okay, let's do this. So, we go to 1, 2, 3. We go to 4. So now we gotta get 4. 4 is right here. Loop it up. 4. 4 is right there. Start off with this. Alright, let's start off with this one. Okay. Following one, we're gonna put a small pin. Small pin right here. Let's take it. Small pin. Get one of these. pin. And then we got one of these with the hole on the side, right here. Got the spring. I know I talk to myself, but hey, it is what it is, man. That's how it be like that. Make sure we're all doing it right. Alright, we'll go back to this one. The one with the spring on this side. And then we'll go in. I'll zoom in. I'll put the camera here once I'm done, so you guys can see how it's supposed to look. Big pin. And small pin. Okay. Want everything to be smooth. There you go. We are done here. Not really, but we're one step closer. So there you go. Yeah, it's hard for me to concentrate because this is my first time doing this. I don't want to mislead anyone. So I hope that this is exactly how it's supposed to be. I don't want nobody commenting, yo, my engine, my VTEC didn't work because you're my bad, player. I'm learning. But we got this. We'll do this together. I'd rather you guys learn from my mistakes, if I make any. It's easy, you know. You could have somebody come through and do it, but you know, you're not gonna learn if you don't experience it yourself. Obviously, this is number 5. This is number 5, but wait, no. This is where it goes. So, if I'm not mistaken, it goes like this. That's how it goes. Alright, so we're gonna set it on the head. Give me 1 second. 1 second, take this gloves off, and I'll be right with you. I'll set up this camera. Well, you can see. Can you see right there? Alright, right there. Ain't that? Alright. Let's open this up. Oh, by the way, I just recently got the Downstar intake side titanium or burnt what's it called, studs. Take out this pin. There you go. And hold it like that. Alright, I gotta know which one goes where. I think I got it. Oh, it's looking beautiful. There you go. Rockers on. There you go. Rockers are on. So alright, so there you have it, guys. It was a little annoying with these pins coming out, but it wasn't nothing too crazy. I hope this video was helpful. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it, hit the bell button so you can get notified as soon as I post these videos. And yeah, man, I hope you guys learn. I'm taking my boy out to go buy a costume
For me and Daddy.
Oh, I don't think they can see you. Turn on your light so they can see you. There's a mess back here, bro. Alright, so yeah, taking my boy to buy a costume. Let's see what we find.
Yeah.
Alright, peace. Alright, so my boy got me to come out so we could get him. What's the name of that spot? Hold on.
Halloween something?
Halloween something, man. I can't see.
I don't know.
Wait, hold on. Halloween. Whatever. Let's go, brother. I got that line there. That line. Damn, that line looking fucked up, kid. You really want to do this, bro?
I don't want to go this line.
Oh, my boy swagged out with the sandals. See, Aaron, that's how you used to look when you was a baby. Just like that.
See, that's why I said I look like Doodle.